Just one quick flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a golden shaded paradise, where you and your loved one can enjoy a cheeky getaway. But a holiday isn't all lounging around. Feel the thrill of the wind at your back with a bout of windsurfing. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.